The time right now, we're coming up on 4:12 on this Tuesday morning. We hope that your day is off to a wonderful start. It definitely is off to a cold start as we take a live look using the Stanley Moss Skywatch camera. It's quiet, but Matt, it definitely does not feel like May out here right now.
No, it doesn't. We actually, believe it or not, we set a record for snowfall yesterday at the Syracuse Hancock Airport.
Really?
It doesn't take much this time of the year, to be fair, to do that. We picked up a trace at the airport, and we set a record as a result of that. And actually, Binghamton did the same thing as well.
Okay, you know, we were at the gym, Brandon and I, yesterday, and we were walking outside, and we were sitting there, and there was, what is it, grapple?
Grapple.
Is that what that was coming down? I noticed.
Grapple is fun. And for most people don't like it, but there are a few of us weather dorks who find grapple to be exceedingly interesting. Yeah. And yep, that's a transition precipitation type. We often refer to that as that. And yeah, it's just indicative of the fact that it didn't feel like May yesterday. We had enough cold air on to pop it off. Now, as a result of that cold air, we got to have some. We have a couple freeze warnings in effect, and you got to take the necessary precautions to protect any sensitive vegetation you got over Mother's Day.
Yeah, good point.
By the way, did you spend some time with Mom?
Yeah, I went home and I got to see my mom, and we went out to dinner with my aunt too.
Oh, nice.
So the three of us had a little girls' night. So it was very nice. My mom was, I will say, she was kind of upset, Matt, that it was cold on Mother's Day, though. She was commenting on that in the morning on Sunday.
My parents made the trip out from Western New York, and my mom also complained as soon as she arrived. I'm like, come
on. you can't decide what it's going to be. You can only tell people.
That's right. That's right. So it was warmness inside the Stevens/Richards household.
Good.
All right, let's show you what's going on with those freeze warnings. We do have freeze warnings up for the counties you see shaded in that light blue color. Now, that doesn't mean that everybody else automatically do not have freeze conditions. It simply means that the National Weather Service has deemed that your growing season has not officially begun yet. So that means that pretty much everybody in the viewing area, you've got some sort of frost concern at least this morning, if not a plain and simple freeze concern this morning. So take any necessary precautions you can. It might be a bit too late for some folks, but for some of you, not quite late just yet. For example, 37 in Syracuse, you may have just enough time to bring the plants in, cover them up this morning. Down to 30 already, Utica and Rome, 35 in Watertown, 34 Oswego, 29 in Ithaca, and 36 degrees over in Penn Yan. We are, of course, precipitation free. We just don't have a lot to work with moisture-wise in the atmosphere. You can see that in the dew point. That's only at 30 degrees, air temperature 37, relative humidity 75%. Winds west to southwest 8 miles per hour, pressures on the rise. Wind chill, even with just that breath of wind, makes it feel like the lower 30s. Here's a satellite and radar picture confirming what I was talking about earlier. Mostly sunny in the short term, but see some of this? This is some energy and moisture riding up over a ridge just to our west. It's going to ride up and slide down the backside of that ridge. In doing so, it's probably going to bring a few extra clouds in our direction from time to time today. I do not believe we pick up any precipitation from this particular batch of energy and moisture, but we will get a few extra clouds tossed in our direction, and that's reflected on my 7-day forecast. Looking for a high of 60 degrees today. Mostly sunny, at times turning partly sunny thanks to those few extra clouds heading down in our direction. 39 is our low for tonight, partly cloudy skies. For Wednesday, we got a warm front heading in our direction. Should get us into mostly cloudy skies, spotty showers, even an isolated storm as well. A little breezy, milder at 70 degrees. 49 for Wednesday night, partial clearing, patchy fog, mostly sunny for Thursday. Still breezy though, temperatures lower 70s. 69 for Friday, mostly sunny skies. First half of the weekend's looking dry as I currently see it. Mostly sunny early Saturday, then partly sunny. Some increasing cloud cover as the day goes on at 72 degrees. Looks like the second half of the weekend is the wetter half of the weekend with widespread showers, storms, and steady periods of rain at 71, 74 by Monday and partial clearing.